Indian troops, in their unabated acts of state terrorism, martyred 6 Kashmiris in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir during the last month of July. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, of those killed, 2 youths were martyred in fake encounters. 38 civilians, mostly activists and students, were arrested, many of them under Black Laws Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in 138 cordon and search operations. Meanwhile, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference leadership has reiterated its call for a complete shutdown and large-scale protest demonstrations on Friday, August 5th. It appealed to the people to observe the day as the exploitation day to convey a strong message to the world that Kashmiris do not accept India's illegal occupation over Jammu and Kashmir. APHC Senior Vice Chairman Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, while terming 5th August 2019 as one of the worst chapters in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, said India, in brazen violation of its international law and the UN resolutions, stripped Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir of its special status. The incarcerated APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar deplored that the RSS-backed Modi government was hell-bent on turning Jammu and Kashmir into a graveyard for imposition of its devil Hindutva ideology. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani expressed the resolve that Kashmiris would prefer martyrdom over Hindutva slavery. The APHC leadership urged the Kashmiris all over the world to hold protest demonstrations in world major capitals on 5th August to expose Indian crimes in Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, in a statement, expressed concern over the shifting back of ailing Muhammad Yasin Malik from hospital to New Delhi's Tihar jail today is 11th of the Malik's hunger strike against his unfair trial by the Indian judiciary. As many as 14 shops and a seminary were gutted in 2 fire incidents in Kha Bazar and Ashmukam areas of South Kashmir's Islamabad district. The locals have expressed concern over rising yet suspicious incidents of fire over the past few months in the territory. IIOJK, at a meeting in Islamabad, paid rich tributes to 19 members of a family who were martyred by Indian troops in Ceylon area of Poonch district on August 2, 1998.